Good morning, student. Here I am Kumari Roma, Biology Department from Bhagat Vidyapeeth. Today we are going to study Biology of Class 8, Chapter 2, Microorganisms, Friend or Foe. As the mentioned chapter name, Microorganisms, Friend or Foe. Microorganism, this means micron, this means very minute, a very small organism. And microorganisms can be friend or foe. This means the beneficial microorganism which act as our friend and the microorganisms which are harmful for us are known as foe. This means the enemy, which spread diseases among human beings, plants, and other animals. Students, you can see all the topic mentioned here, and you take out the notebook and pen and note all the topics so that you can revise this topic after the class also. Now, you have seen several kinds of plants and animals. However, there are other living organisms around us which we normally cannot see. These are called microorganisms or microbes. For example, student, you might have observed that during the rainy season, moist bread gets spoiled and its surface gets covered with grayish white patches. What you have to do? You have to observe these patches through a magnifying glass. You will see tiny black rounded structure over there. Do you know what these structure are and where do these come from? These structure are fungus or fungi, and this come on the bread slice from the air. This fungi has a special name, that is bread mold. Another name for bread mold is rhizopus. Student, here is the definition of microorganism. How can we define the microorganism? The living organism that cannot be seen through our naked eyes. They only can be seen with the help of microscope and magnifying glass are known as microorganisms or microbes. For example, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, and viruses. Now, microorganisms are classified into four major groups: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and algae. These are in the category of major group of microorganisms. Now, student, one more microorganism, a microscopic organism, is viruses. Viruses are also microscopic, but they are not included in the major category of microorganisms because they do not have their own entity. They behave as living organism only in the body of host organism. When the microorganism like viruses present in environment, they behave like non-living thing. But once they enter in the living organism body, they start reproducing fastly and it utilize the cellular machine of that organism from the host body. Host body, whose body are called the host body for the viruses: human body, plant body, and other animals body to which the viruses attack. We can understand the viruses, the life cycle of viruses by the today's situation. Today's situation, the whole world is fighting with a virus, COVID-19. It's the condition is epidemic by this virus, COVID-19. This COVID-19 virus come from the family of SARS virus. SARS, that is stand for the severe acute respiratory syndrome. This virus first attacked our respiratory system and damaged it, and then it attacked the whole body and it damaged the different organ system. So, viruses, when they are present in environment, they act as a non-living thing, and when they enter to the body of living organism, they use the cellular machine of that living organism and act as living thing. So viruses are fall in the category of, they are kept in the category of boundary line between living and non-living thing. That is why viruses are not kept in the measured category of microorganism. Student, that's all for today. I would like to give you the home assignment for today. That is what you have to do. You have to make a list of different type of microorganism, and you have to mention 4 diseases caused by this different kind of microorganism. That's all for today. Stay at home and be protective. Thank you very much.